Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 90 of Build the Legendary Cyborg RoboCop from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build this 1/3 scale Partwork along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building along them with me one of these beautiful Partworks. Let's have a look through the magazine this week, see what we got. History of RoboCop, there's another picture of the reboot there. Be an interesting one to do as a Partwork, wouldn't it, just to see the comparison. More information there and behind the scenes shots there. Tried to update the suit there just to make it look a bit more modern. We've then starting the back assembly there with the plates, and we've got our magnet mounts and some AP screws. Shows you how that goes together and what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks, okay? Mounting them from the outside, and then this is where it's going to sit on our RoboCops, okay? 100 Years of Robots is silicon-based neighbours. Cutting edge technology, garments for invisibility. This is a good concept. This is this stealth clothing almost, where it takes an image of your background and it projects it on itself. So you get a bit like Predator movie where you can ghost yourself into the background. Quite an interesting technology, that. This is the art of stealth there. This is the stealth bomber. This is a Sotnik combat suit. Looks very reminiscent of the Halo Master Chief to me. So yeah, it really is bringing it home, the modern technology now. So there's the magazine done. Let's grab our bits and pieces and we'll start a bit of assembly. So this is the die cast back panel. We've got a nice bit of weight to it. And we're going to be putting in these little magnet mounts with some AP screws, folks, okay? So we'll get our little mini screwdriver out for that. Grab a bit of oil. Drop that in place. And then we'll line these brackets up. There's a little tiny notch there and a screw hole. Just sits like so. And then whilst holding that in place, we want to come from the other side there through the top and drop these in situ, folks. Just like so. See, and then when the front panels go on, this will all magnetise together. Grab our next screw. Like that. And do the same again. Nice and simple issue this one today, folks, especially after last week's, because last week's was quite a productive one where we got all of the assembly in place. And then we can grab this one like so. And remember, these are handed, folks. Okay. And marked left and right. The easiest way to tell is just have the cut out facing upwards so that you can see the magnet. And then we can pop that in there. Just like so. And that's what you're going to end up with. Magnets nice and flush mounted in place. And then this will then clip round the back side of the RoboCop. And then the other panels will magnetise to it, folks. So that's what we've got at the end of this one. Nice and simple, did say. So if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, head over to Fanhome's website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building one of these. Also, to help me out, you can give little Festa a click in the corner there and subscribe to my channel. It really helps the channel grow, keeps it alive. To be notified of future content, ring the bell, select all, that way you'll get notified of all upcoming video content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Goodbye.